This is the Fairfield Office Park, and it is hella windy. Last time I was here, both at the same time we're going through modernization, so let's see what they did to them. It's a nice building though, that's all I'll say. We will get them both, and I gotta blah 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 over that music. Oh my god, I found a Roxy. And these are nice too. Oh, these might be Schindler, hold on. No, they're not. I gotta hear that chime again because that's... Oh my god, this is so equivalent to a Roxy except it's blue. No, I'm just... Okay, in all seriousness. It literally has the exact chimes. Which one?
One.
One? There you go. See, it's got the Dover door track. It's not too equivalent. Nice interiors. These are new interiors. I found blue monitor TR. Damn. They don't have pretty good motors though. I don't know who did this. Fortunately, it's uncomfortable. Actually, hold on. No confirmation. All right, we'll send you up. Yep, these are the only two here. And the motor room is right there. This one's higher pitched. This one's got a fan. Blue monitor TR. I need to have them both lit up. Go down to one now. Same cabs. This one, the lantern's on that side. Guess I was moving a lot, but... See, this one's got the legitimate Roxy chimes, as we all love. I have to get them both lit up to crash Nathan. There it goes, and that's it, and then... Alright, well... Yep. It's louder. Alright, well. There they are. And that's it.